Hey there, Mike here again. Welcome to my channel. If you get a chance, subscribe and all. This is a really quick 34-minute video on some modifications, upgrades I made to my cheap $70 Harbor Freight welding table. So hope you enjoy it, and maybe it'll give you some ideas on what to do for yours. Talk to you later. Thanks. Okay, bye. Here's my upgrade to my Harbor Freight welding table. Blocked off some of it just so you can see what the basic welding table is. Normal price about $89, but you can find it on sale when they have them for about 60 to 70. Don't mind all those swirls. When every once in a while, after I get spatter and things like that, I'll hit it with a flapper disc and clean it. But anyway, the first thing I wanted to show you that I upgrade was putting a halfway decent vise on it. And what I did was I sand the bottom of the vise and then bolted it down to make a really good electrical connection so that I can put stuff in the vise and weld straight to it if necessary. Comes in really handy. That vise there is probably about $20, $30 at Harbor Freight. Next thing for an upgrade, just went and got an piece of aluminum about 2 inches wide, 3 or 4 feet long, kind of bent it, rolled it, hooked it on there, just took the existing bolts that were there, took them out, had to put holes in the aluminum and put them back. Now I can put my clamps, vice grips, some extra clamps, C-clamps. Probably cost about $8, $9, whatever. And another is I got some tubing that I cut up, and I use this for plasma, so I can cut on it like a plasma table. But if you're not into plasma and welding, it extends it out a little bit. This was probably only about $20 in tubing and stuff. And I even welded on a brace to it, so it's nice and sturdy, won't go down. That really helps out a lot. And finally, but the best of them all, is I got myself a copper bar that I wedged, bolted in place by taking out the existing ones. I then real heavy duty gauge wire. Oh no. There we go. And then that's hooked up to a ground, my DINs, so it can go right in my welder. This winds up grounding out the whole entire table, or the return path, let's call it that, because it depends if you're electrode negative or positive. And I also put another DINs here. So besides this one going to the welder and making the table all grounded, we'll call it that, I can put in another one with a clamp, so I can also clamp on. So I have like the best grounding system in the world. And that is the most important thing with welding, is that you have a really good return path. And I'll be doing another video on proper grounding and welding. So hope this comes in handy. Talk to you later. Bye.